Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to share TikTok video on Facebook story. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up your TikTok application. Well, now you can't directly share your TikTok post to your Facebook story. You could do it to Facebook feed, but you can't post it directly on story. In this case, we have two options, or let's say in this video, we have listed two methods to share your TikTok post to your Facebook story. So method number one is copying the link to your story. For that, just select a video that you want to share and now click on the share icon, the arrow pointing to the right on the right hand side of the screen. From the list of sharing options, select copy URL and now open your Facebook and now tap on create story and paste the link that you copied and then share it. Now with this method, one can still view a TikTok post by tapping on the link and directly visiting the TikTok site. But this method might be a bit hassle for the one who is viewing your story. So in this case, we have another method. Method number two is saving the TikTok to your gallery. Find the post that you want to share again on TikTok and now click on the share icon, the arrow pointing to the right on the right hand side of the screen. And now select save video. Once the video is saved on your gallery, now open your Facebook and tap on your story. And now select the video that you just saved. And then next, select share. With this, the video will be directly shared to your Facebook post without having to click on any link. So yeah, this was the tutorial on how to share a TikTok post to your Facebook story. I hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.